Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be attempting to make a paper squishy, well not a paper squishy, a squishy without foam or puffy paint or paper. So let's see how this works out, and sorry if you guys cannot hear me. So yeah, what I'm going to be using is some stuffing. I am also going to be using a paper bag. Then I'm going to be using some scissors, paint, and 2 containers. The other one is right here. So let's get started. Now that I've showed you all the things that we're going to need to make this squishy, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my paper bag. It's not one of the Ziploc ones. It's just the little sandwich bags that open like this. But what I'm going to do is I am going to cut it in half because it's a little bit big and we're going to need to shape the paper squishy. So I want my paper squishy to be about the size of a marshmallow. So I'm just going to cut it to the size. At the end you don't really have to worry about it being straight, as you guys can see, because like we're not going to be really using that part. So now that it's cut, I'm going to get some tape. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I have the tape now, so I am going to tape this side, so because the side right now is open and we want that to be closed, so I'm going to tape the side. Okay guys, I now have that done. The side is taped, and I also cut some of the top off because it was a little bit too big. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put the stuffing in. So I obviously have way too much, but I'm going to make it little so I only have a little bit. So now I only have this much. And I'm going to put it in this little baggie. So the rest of this video is going to be on fast mode. So yeah, well not the rest of the video, but like, you know what I mean. Okay guys, I now have it fully stuffed and taped into the shape that I want it to be. So it's just like a little circle, well, cylinder. Nothing really special about it. It's squishy. And yeah, so I am going to now paint it, but there are a couple of instructions that are important about the paint. So right here I have some regular acrylic paint. These are all acrylic. This one is also acrylic. But when you put the acrylic in, don't just put the acrylic and just like paint it, because the acrylic will crack. So you want to make sure that you put glue as well. So that's what the glue is for. So let's get started. Guys, so if you hear background noise, don't mind that. But I have the mixtures now mixed up, and I'm going to start painting. And if you don't know what I'm painting, I'm doing a strawberry. Guys, so I ended up waiting 24 hours. It is the next day, if you guys can see. So the squishies are now dry. So this is what they look like. Here's the strawberry. The paint did not really go on well, but it is pretty slow rising. Here. It's just something that you can do when you're bored because we're in quarantine now. But these are the squishies. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be dropping a new video out today. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bye.